guys, it's Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be comparing the Mosie baby to the Make a Mom Baby Maker Kit. Now, this video is done in collaboration with MakeAMom.com. Make a Mom is no stranger to my channel. I absolutely love their products. I think that they have the widest variety of home insemination products on the market, and I love the quality of each of their devices. Now, there are others on the market, and that's why I am doing this comparison video, so we can see what the differences are and where do you get the most bang for your buck. Now, the Mosie baby is $99 and the Baby Maker Kit is only $69. Also, Mosie baby is not reusable. The kit does include 2 syringes for the expensive price of $99, and this is what the syringe looks like. It's just a very simple syringe, honestly, you guys. There's nothing special about this syringe. It's about the same length as a syringe you would get at the drugstore. Now, what I think makes the Baby Maker a much better option is that the Baby Maker is longer. So this is how the Baby Maker looks, right? You guys can see. So this is much longer than the Mosie. The Mosie is much shorter in comparison to the Baby Maker. Now, why is that important? When you're home inseminating, you want to get the sperm as far into yourself as possible. The Baby Maker makes that possible because it's quite a bit longer than the Mosie baby. The Mosie baby, to be honest with you, I don't see any difference with this device than using a syringe that you can get at the drugstore. The only difference is this is $100. Now, with the Baby Maker, you're getting your syringe, and you're also getting the Baby Maker because Make a Mom understands that you need something longer than what the Mosie baby offers in order to get the fluid further into yourself. The further that you can get it into yourself, the less fluid you're wasting, and just the better chances that you have of impregnating yourself. Now, also, the Mosie baby is $100, mind you, and all it comes with is the Mosie baby itself, this little plastic short syringe, and a specimen cup. It doesn't include a fertility cup, which is highly recommended, because once you insert the sperm inside of yourself, you're going to want to make sure that you are keeping the semen inside of yourself at least 15 minutes with your hips elevated. So after you spend your $100 on the Mosie baby, you're going to have to also go and buy a fertility cup. That's why I like the Make a Mom Baby Maker Kit, because everything that I need comes with it. I have the specimen cup that I need. I have the fertility cup, and I have something longer to get the semen further inside myself. So I also like the fact of the quality of the materials. The Mosie baby, I will say this, like, it's just a cheap plastic syringe. Like, this plastic is much thinner than the plastic of the syringe on the Baby Maker, but there's not really much to this, and with it being so short, it's just really not anything groundbreaking or special, and it's $100. For $69, I get a syringe that is a very high quality plastic. I get the Baby Maker that's made of medical grade silicone, and it's very soft, it's very comfortable. As you can see, it flexes a little bit, so this is a very comfortable, it's not hard and rigid, it's not too thick, it's very thin, it's not too thick, so I feel like that's better for a wider range of people. And overall, it's just a better value for your money. You know, it's $30 cheaper, and you get a lot more bang for your buck, and most importantly, it's reusable. You're going to be able to use the Baby Maker time after time, month after month. So if you want to try every day that you're ovulating, you can do that with the Make a Mom. You could do it with Mosie, but remind you, these are one-use syringes. So if you use the Mosie baby syringes and you want to try every day that you're ovulating, you're going to be spending a lot of money because only 2 come in the pack. So I think that it's better to make the investment of $69, get yourself a baby maker kit so that way you can use this time after time, baby after baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to go over to makeamom.com to pick up your baby maker. You can use my discount code SHEILAFREE for free shipping at checkout. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.